Hello, this is Jason Sigoric from Casper's Trucking Equipment with another Casper's Quick Clip. This week's clip features VMAC VR70 Rotary Underhood air compressor. We have a unit installed on a Ford Super Duty, which will fire up. If you're looking for a lot of air to run your power tools up to 70 CFM, 175 PSI, the VMAC air compressor will be your answer. By engaging the park brake, we've energized the system by pressing the on button. Our green LED light tells us the system is ready to go. Mounting takes place under the hood. Simple serpentine belt driven system. On the back of the unit, we have access to our hose reel. And by opening the valve, we get our air supply. For more information on the VMAC VR70 Rotary Screw Underhood Air Compressor, contact Casper's Truck Equipment at 920-687-1111 or visit us online www.casperstruck.com.